Hi everybody, Rocky here again, and today I've got another VCR here to show you. I just picked this up yesterday. It is a Symphonic VCR. It is a 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR. It's got an AV input on the front. It's got LED lights here for power, VCR TV, tape in, timer, and record. Here's the tape speed button, channel buttons, and your standard tape buttons, rewind, play, fast forward, record, stop, eject, pause. And there's this button down here that says auto return. I'm not sure what that one does. But this is a Symphonic model SL2860. It's got an input and an output on the back and antenna in and out. And then the channel 3 and 4 switch. Like I said, I just got it yesterday, paid $10 for it. It works. There's nothing wrong with it. I cleaned it all up yesterday. Also cleaned the mode switch. Figured while I'm here I might as well. Is the power supply circuit, and over here is the tuner. There's some shield over the head drum there. You see there's a motor here with a date on it, the 13th of May of 1998. There's the main gear right there. So here I'll put a tape in it. Actually, let's turn it on first. You see these LEDs light up? Now I'll put a tape in it. Probably couldn't saw it under this shield, but they're just like other VCRs. There's two guides that pull the tape out and around the head. And there's the pinch roller. Now we'll hit play. See, there's play. Now we'll hit fast forward. There's forward search. There's play again. Now we'll hit pause. There's pause. If you keep pressing the pause button, it advances a little bit each time. I'll hit play again. Now we'll hit rewind. There's reverse search. Play again. Now we'll hit stop. Now we'll hit fast forward. There's fast forward. Now hit stop again. And rewind. There's rewind. I'll show you the cam gear here. You see it moving. Hit eject. Let's look at that one more time. We'll watch the gear. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, that's about it. We'll take one last look at the transport here. There's the head drum. You can kind of see it in there. Again, this is a 4-head hi-fi. Again, it worked. I tried it in the store and it worked. So tell me what you think about this video and this VCR. There, you can see. Hold it up to the light, you can see it better. The front. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, and another thing I failed to mention, this tape speed button. This VCR can record in all 3 speeds, SP, LP, and SLP, which is actually really cool. I didn't think VCRs this new from 1998 could record in the LP speed. I know they did away with it. Yeah, one last look at the front panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching.